Hey there, fan. Gamer Pushover 93 here. Welcome to Night Squad with King Misguided.
What's up, people? I'm here to thrash some face with this guy.
And then later he'll thrash my face in another episode.
Well, of course, but you know.
So speaking of which,
Gonna be a dragon. I'm a dragon.
I will be.
Excuse me. I'm a dragon because I'll be dragging my balls across their faces.
I'm gonna. This is the closest to the Dark Knight I can get.
All right. Sophie.
Alrighty. So, what are we doing? I remember
this one is a free for all.
I remember. Well, Captain.
After the flag.
Well, okay. It's just that one. That one was murder. I remember when there was capture all control points. We dominated that, especially when I got the Ripper.
Sound good? Look at this map.
Yeah.
All right, good. We're gonna do this. Red side.
What?
Red side.
Oh, now we're red. I got
We're
used
gonna
to
be
blue.
red side. We're gonna be red side this time.
Right. All right. So why don't you tell them a little bit about the game?
All right. So Night Squad is a very simple, very easy to play game. Actually, don't listen to what I'm saying. I'm lying, 100%.
Yeah, I had to put up with this guy for a few years.
But yeah, this game is very, very deceptively simple and yet hilariously fun.
It's like Team Fortress 2 for
You just gotta basically survive. Capture the flag, carry it a certain distance, grab power-ups to your weaponry.
summon an army of zombies.
Yes, you can do that too. And then carry the flag all the way back to your base like I'm about to do. And there's 1 point for us. Boom! How to increase my... Oh god,
Yeah.
I just died. I just died to the environment. What is this magic?
Yeah, I just died a bunch of times. Yep, there I just died again.
They're about to capture our flag. I don't think I can catch up to that guy.
I can't either. Okay, that's it. I need to summon my army.
Minions attack!
Okay, who's got the
environment killed him.
Yoink! I got the flag. I have the flag.
You have the fag?
No, I don't have a fag. Almost there. Almost there. I got it. I made a point. I'm special.
You think that?
I just died by fire.
Oh my god, that guy just killed both of us. Both me and... Oh, Jesus. The
No, I died.
environment.
Damn environment.
The environment keeps killing me. What is this magic?
Get out. Get out the boat, man. Get out the boat.
Double kill.
I got a shield. I should be fine. Lightning staff. You shall not pass. I just died.
Got him. Oh god. Oh god, I'm slow. I can't believe how slow you are
I
with the
just
flag.
killed a medic.
You killed a medic?
Oh, I'm still
How
alive.
dare
Still.
you?
No, that's good. Ooh, laser gun. Pew, 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 pew. Oh,
I got the flag. Protect me, Squire.
I'm trying.
I'm dead now. I'm back alive. Why am I back alive?
The
Buddy, you almost killed me.
Sorry. Damn it, I got a crossbow. Ooh.
Crossbows are
360.
fully automatic.
360 no scope, bitches. Eh,
Oh god, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, buddy.
I got it. I did good.
The environment keeps kicking my ass.
I did good. Nope.
And that guy
I didn't.
just walked right through me.
I at least got the guy with the laser gun. I mean, I figured he was a bigger threat. Then the guy with the laser gun. And then Johnson.
Got them both.
I got a shield.
Alright, we really need to not let them get another castle. There you go.
I'm trying as best I can.
You stand on that flag and defend them with your life. Oh, I just died.
What life do I have?
Apparently you don't have one.
Pretty much. No, damn horsey. No, no.
Well, I have a shield.
I'm doing good so far.
Oh, Jesus.
At least there's no spies in this game. That would fucking suck.
Oh my god, somebody's gonna get it. Yes.
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 We can do this.
We win. Oh god.
We
Kill
can-
him. Thank you.
We can do this. We can do this. We can just keep
I
this
doubt
up.
it. I doubt we can do this.
I don't know. I haven't died for a little while.
Hey, you're sitting on the flag. Like I requested.
This is what engineers do. This is what engineers are supposed to do. But,
Oh, no.
come on.
We win!
Yeah! Because I
Red squad wins.
because I did something good.
You did. You definitely did.
I died 9 times and I got the most kills.
Think again.
Well, hey, compared to Storm,
I know.
I don't care what you got.
I know.
But
When
hey.
it comes to us, obviously, I have the most kills.
But I died less.
Press the A button.
Whatever. Shut up.
Alright. So we want to do like capture the flag, or do we want to do something different?
Let's do something different. Not soccer.
no?
I despise games like that.
You don't like soccer? What
I-
about Gladiator? No, it's free for all. Free for all. Team deathmatch?
No. Joker.
Free for all.
That's the one I want. Domination.
I'm gonna change the map so that way we don't.
Uh,
Okay. So
blue.
blue side.
Okay.
Alrighty, folks. Don't forget we spawn at the bottom. I'm going right.
No.
I don't know. I'm going to go left.
I'm going this way. I messed up. Okay, I just got one. I got a drill. No. Ah, fuck. I need a ripper. I need a motherfucking ripper.
You need a reaper.
Oh shit! Help me! Minions are after me! No! Damn it! They got me. That was a good one. I was just coming up this way. All of a sudden I was like, no! Minions, save me! Save me!
Save me from the minions! Okay, they're
Save-
all on the left side. If we control the right side right now, we're fine.
Right.
I have a short sword. I am not capable of taking out anybody, especially those drill guys. That hurt.
Oh damn! Somebody killed me with a bomb. Why didn't I think of that? Just use a drill to get past the wall. You don't have to deal with all this.
I missed my sword.
And I missed killing that guy.
Minions attack! Oh.
No. Motherfucker.
Aha! I'm gonna take all your kills
I-
because I have minions.
That's not the point. I mean, I just spawned and then suddenly somebody kills me.
Minions, do my work. Do my bidding.
Help. 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 Okay, I'm fine. I mean, at first I was screwed because I just got the crossbow, and this weapon is at least helpable with me, my crappiness of gaming, because as you may be aware,
Jesus.
I
Yeah,
am
the boss
a
with the sword.
scrub.
Scrub Lord 9.
Scrub what?
Your new gamer tag should be Scrub Lord 9.
I was gonna say scrubber pushover.
Scrubber pushover.
93. Yes, the Ripper is mine.
Not the Ripper.
This
No!
I am dangerous with this weapon in this game.
I has boomerangs.
Motherfucker. That didn't last long. Okay, hold on. There's one guy right there. I just got him. He was just gonna sneak. I just knew he was
Okay,
just gonna
they have all
I'm
points. But
damn it.
couple now.
Well, it's kind of hard to do that. I mean, what's the difficulty on this? What difficulty did you choose?
Medium.
Well, there's your problem. How did I miss that? Motherfucker.
I got the auto drill. I can automatically start drilling somebody. Nice.
That sounded strange there.
Not as strange as you think it is.
Oh wait, I also got a drill. No, no.
I got a horse!
No.
I'm
no,
riding a horsey!
No, stay away, stay away, stay away.
Red squad.
Fuck you, Red. And screw you.
What did I do?
You picked medium.
Why did I pick medium?
Because
Okay, Mark, I had 28 kills and the second lowest number of deaths. You had the lowest number of deaths, but also the lowest number of kills.
eh,
No big deal. So, that should about do it for that episode, folks.
yeah, one loss, one win.
For now, that will be fine. we
Yes.
can later go in and edit it so we win.
Yes, somehow we can edit it so that we win. We'll just call in a tactical nuke strike.
Somehow. Anywho, this has been Night Squad, people.
So, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button.
If you didn't care, hit that like button anyway.
Trust me, we're desperate.
Anything will help us out here. Just do it, man. Just do it.
Okay, calm down. If you like what me and K-Miss Guy do on this channel and want to see some more stuff in the future, hit subscribe. If you got any games you want to suggest to us that you want us to play, tell us what they are and the name of the system. We will consider playing it. And
until next time,
we'll see you in the next video.
goodbye.
Bye-bye. Fare thee well and bullshit.